Okay, so 2009 Toyota Sienna, we fixed the front heater core. It was blocked and we flush it. We flush the radiator, we put a new antifreeze and now it's working. We let it bleed out and everything. There was a lot of air inside the heater core, front one. Now it's working very well. It's hot. The rear heater core is not working. It's cold, blowing cold air. So the rear heater core is located underneath of this panel, the passenger side. Before we remove everything, let's do step-by-step diagnose and see why it's blowing cold air. So the first we're gonna do to check the blunt actuator door if it's working or not. Now someone will turn this on and off. I'm gonna listen to see if it's working or not. Okay, now the car is on. You don't need to start it, just put it on accessories and then turn that. Go ahead. Off. Okay, now you see that, let me show you. Okay, so here is the middle control for the heat. Now we're gonna turn that dial from cold to hot to cold and see if the blender door actuator is not stuck and it's working. There, we put this one on the heat. See, I'll show you. This one, it's on it's called rear position. So, and then we'll do that and we'll check the blender door actuator. Go ahead. Leave it on hot. So hot. Cold. Okay, you can listen. I'm gonna let you to listen again. Hot. Cold. Hot. Okay, so you can hear it very well. It's working. That means the blunt door actuator is working, so we don't need to. That's check. Second diagnose, we go to the flush the heater core, because the heater core, just like the front one was blocked, this one is either blocked or no antifreeze reaching this heater core. And then that's what we're gonna do. The heater core pipe running from the engine here down beneath, all the way from the passenger side all the way there, and they are located here where the sliding door is. We're gonna lift up the van a little bit, we'll jack it up, put the safety jack on, and then we'll check, disconnect the pipes, and we'll do the flush garden hose pipe with the compressor maybe, and then we'll go ahead and do that. So here's the passenger side sliding door. I'm gonna show you where the two rubber pipes are. See this one, this is the spare tire, and those are the two, 1, 2, easy to connect. Disconnect them from here. I don't know which one is an input or output or inlet, outlet. It doesn't matter, we have to flush. When we flush it, we'll do from both sides, because yeah, so okay, we'll go ahead and do that. We have to open this cover here because easy access. So if we remove this cover, this is 10mm, 3 bolts only, it should be easy access. So there was one more here, 3 of them only. Last one, 3 nuts. There's much easy access. So here are the, see this? This is the air condition pipes, and those are the heater antifreeze pipes. So you can, I think I'm gonna disconnect them, whatever is easy, from here, there. Okay, probably if I زي ما قلت. إيه. To block this, okay. Good. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah,
تمام.
Okay. So here's hot water garden hose, and then we're just gonna put it here first, and then let it see what comes. Then I'm gonna do the opposite way. It's clean now.
Yeah.
It's very clean. So what is the other one? Oh, here we go. Okay, ready? This is what comes out. It's very dirty, a lot of dirt.
Can't believe it.
So that's maybe what's blocking it, you see? Those all inside.
That's definitely what blocked it.
Yeah. One more time, maybe 3 times, and that's it. We'll do the opposite way too. Still a lot of dirt, debris still coming out, you see? So that's why you need to do it. Close it. Look, more coming. Close it. That's pretty good. We'll do the opposite way. Wow. It's a lot of power. Open it. Very clean. Good. Yeah, that's good. Good. That's it. With antifreeze, so that way we're avoiding air, because once now there is no water, there's no liquid anymore, there's no antifreeze, there's no water in the rear heater core. So we're going to use this transfer pump to push the antifreeze to the rear heater until the air all escape. This way we are sure there's no air inside the heater core. So this one will suck the antifreeze and this one will pump it out. As you see, this is how it works. Pull, and then this one is not a good one, but you know, and then push until we see no air coming more, and then we're gonna stop. So this is the pulling and this is the pushing. So let's do the we're gonna okay, just like that. Once we see the antifreeze coming from the other side, then we're gonna
It's coming out.
so now it's coming up. See, that's good. We need to make sure it's full.
Yeah. Antifreeze is coming out.
Good. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so I think we're good to go. We're just gonna put this one first. We filled the rear heater core with antifreeze. We put those back in, and we get rid of the air as much as we could. Now we put the cover plate back in, this one, and I think everything should be good to go. We're gonna start the engine, and then same thing, leave it running, and get we get rid of all the air and everything out. Good, yeah, good enough. Okay.
Very
Okay, now we're gonna start the engine. After we flushing the rear heater core, we leave it run until the engine warm up. We may have to. We leave the heater heat on, both of them, the front and the rear. Okay, and then we'll check the back, but we have to add more antifreeze because we lose a little bit of antifreeze, so we're gonna add a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna go press the gas to 3,000-4,000 RPM until we get hot, cold. Air bubbles should come to this one.
Come on. No more air bubbles. I'm gonna hit you before you hit me.
After we did the flush, the engine is at almost normal temperature. So unfortunately the rear heater core is not working. We did the flush, maybe it's blocked completely and it did not work. So I think this one needs to be replaced because it's completely clogged. And I can tell that by checking the pipes here beneath the car. See, when I check the pipes, here are the two pipes we did over there. See, this one, it's hot. The other one, it's cold. So that's definitely the heater core, it's clogged. That's what the spare is. Yeah, that's bad. Anyway, I mean, we tried, but it didn't work, so at least we get the front heater cores working.
Oh yeah,
probably, like, we will let you know tomorrow because it may take time to work. I don't know, maybe until the engine gets really hot, because we'll see if it's gonna work. I'll keep update, but other than that, thanks for watching, all the best, and hope to see you next time.